of automation from being something that would provide the process more efficiency. What we have these discussions to be answered by our distinguished guest here, Her Excellency Dr. Hassan Jaber, a global authority in digital policy and Vice President of Research and Graduate Studies at Qatar University, and a leading expert in cybersecurity at Edge. His work bridges advanced research with the real national applications. So it's an honor to have you with us. Our first topic will be.
Thank you, and I have never in a room where I think I know almost 50 persons. So it is really my pleasure and honor to meet some of you. I have a difference between digital transformation. Digital transformation is more about optimizing specific work, impact people life. I always like to share this kind of an example. And I'm sure my assumption some of you had written last year, anthropoid, delete or kill an AI agent. Imagine what had happened. Have an AI, so within the company, what they call it, they started to do inside 64 was threatened to shut down the AI was a trap. And this is simulation. In a server room, and Gemini, I have Firas with me, is the AI expert, so I cannot be more than that. Deliberately cancelled the life-saving emergency. Imagine, the life-saving emergency alert. And when the researcher went and didn't, طبعا هذه simulation, but I would say imagine what happened if this is in real life. So AI agency now will be in health and everything. And fundamentally, it's a complex because I think of two things. You will find how AI is really from sensing the image to decision to control. So imagine of this. But I'm not against AI because I've been giving a lot of negative things about AI. My concern is as follows. The minute we will do this, an institution will 30 years.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency. I think this sets the ground for the next question. So,
trying tasks that have multiple steps, and sometimes in each step you are going and consulting the data. Enough now will be delegated to the machine. So now let's talk about healthcare. I know Dr. Hassan is very passionate about healthcare. If you have arrived at a certain outcome, what if one of the APIs or one of the agents that was part? So if you start to think about some of these possibilities, and knowing that this will be implemented in healthcare, this will be implemented in education systems, many more people are going to benefit from healthcare and education, and many who will be accountable. Now I have an Agentic AI platform, I am the developer, and there is the person who deployed this Agentic AI platform, and there are the people technology, but also there are things that are going to be delegated to machines almost autonomously, and that will lead us to think about
things happen. Big wrong things happen. I think now when it comes to AI, I really don't. I think what is happening with Agentic AI, the Agentic AI will be deployed in an institution. They are the user, so the user will be using this AI, and then the regulator. They are the one who they found 68 of the failure with AI agent came from the deployment.